in August 2006, Matty bought the Civic. It wouldn't see Santa Pod until 2019. It didn't make him a rookie though. By the time he rolled up into Pod, Matty had already put in the work, racing at York Raceway and crewing for the late great Glenn Robson. Glenn went on to win the 2015 front-wheel drive series held at Santa Pod.
So it's Glenn Robson in the right lane, Paul Atkinson in the left lane, and Paul's going to need to really cut a great light on this one. But it's Glenn that's away first and pulling out a lead already. And by half track, you can see he's got this one. Paul's keeping up with him, but it looks good for Glenn. And at the stripe, he takes the win with an easy 9.57 at 161 to a good but not good enough 10.22 at 139. And as he steps up with his daughter Olivia to collect his trophy, this event win gives Glenn enough points to secure the overall series win with one round still to go.
2019 saw Matt make our Doorslammer's debut. Not only did Matt take our little 1.6 Civic all the way to the semi-finals, but our commentator, European front-wheel drive frontman himself, Luke Stevenson, had Matt in the sweepstake, which made for some brilliant commentary.
Oh, Paul Jordan with the four-wheel drive 20-valve turbo Polo, which is absolutely gorgeous. He's going to be taking on the man who is going to win front-wheel drive. For me, Matt Davison with the single cam Honda Civic. Come on, Matt! Yeah, boy! Sorry, we got a little sweepstake.
Yeah, little sweepstake.
Well, it's £500 to the win for us, isn't it? That'll do. Matt is my man. He's my golden ticket.
This is going to be unbearable tomorrow when this class comes out. Daryl, you missed out on this one, mate.
Go on.
I've got one in this as well.
Have you?
Yeah. I've got Jacob Bailey.
Wow.
What a draw that was.
Was that on purpose?
No, just good luck with the draw.
Nice, 162.60 foot for Matt. Geordie's in chase mode and driven around him. What's Matt going to get out of the top end? He goes through 10.96, you little beauty!
Oh, he's happy.
I'll take that all day long. I can see that 500, I told you, a 10-second car is going to win front-wheel drive class. It's going to be my one. Go Matt, go Matt.
Back in 2019, we were the underdogs, and in some ways we still are. Our journey with the Civic started at York, then came to Pod for Doorslammers. Next came the sports compact shootouts, and then we stepped up to be part of the comp eliminator scene. We are part of the front-wheel drive takeover, and trust me, it's not easy. Front-wheel drive cars have to be pushed to the absolute limit on every single pass in this class, but mark my words, a front-wheel drive champion will be crowned in Comp Eliminator, and when it happens, guys, remember where it started. Even with Matt's foundations at York, with his loyal crew Murph and Mouse, it hasn't been an easy ride. But we've never stopped pushing. And eventually, we did it! An 8-second pass. The first ever 8-second pass in a D-Series in Europe. Get in there. Of course, this journey didn't come without pain. We had a lot to learn. We had a bearing nip up on the dyno once. We were happy with the bottom end that year, so we didn't refresh it. Big mistake. That day taught us a hard lesson. When you're putting this much pressure on every single component, you've got to refresh it more regularly than ever before. Come on, Top Fuels do it every single run. But we didn't miss much. We never do. We waited for parts, then we go again. Everything was looking good. New drive shafts, bigger turbo, new gearbox, a full cage and safety gear because now we're on methanol. Over the next few meets, we lined up against our mare and a few others and had a pretty sweet ride of it. Even getting a PB or two along the way. Nice one. Then money shot. Fire halfway down the strip. It's never easy watching this from the start line, or even back again. My whole world is going down there in that car, but that's why we never scrimp on go safer parts, as well as go faster parts. The guys at Pod are amazing. Thanks for always looking out for us, guys. Back home, we found the cause. One bolt out the gear selector. So, Matt had gone to put it in third, and the gearbox went into first. He was so cross with himself because he had issues going into second, and with hindsight, should have aborted the run. Anyway, Matty put it into third, the gearbox went into first, and we learned. We wiped it down, and we won again. Having the friends we do is what lifts us in hard times. Look, let's get real. Breaking parts is never easy and it is never fun. But anyone who's pushed hard enough to break records will understand. This is drag racing, parts break on the way to breaking records. Fact. The hardest part is always the money. We've never had a bottomless pit of it, but what we do have is determination. We're never going to give up. And, let's face it, it's damn good fun. Even when things don't go quite as you plan them to.
Guarantee that's the bit more on.
Well, no one expected this to happen in the pit.
Told you it was going to rain. Said it was going to rain.
Oh. You're right, there's stairs. Jeez. Oh my gosh. You alright over there, boys?
Yeah.
Every single one of us in this crazy drag racing community has our next goal. A new PB, another round, a bigger build. From Run What You Brung to shootouts to the SPRC. There's so many stories. Ours was always leading to this record-breaking run. Let's get into it then. Our D16 Z6 was helped by TurboSmart's Turbo 6870, TurboSmart's E-Gate and loads of other TurboSmart goodies. Competition clutch triple plate, the FuelTech FT600 with hardwire PDM, all tuned by Chris at EFI Parts, Hush Performance Brake Booster Delete Kit and their billet bonnet hinges. We've got our bespoke exhaust manifold by GizFab, alignment and support from Eden Garage Motorsport, and a massive shout out to our crew chief Murph, our resident Viking.
Got no fire crews?
Is that because you're too hot?
No, because they're all over there waiting for the burnout cars to blow up.
This was the setup that made our dreams come true.
Right, Matty Davidson with the Mr. Boost Civic. He's just seen Darren do that. He is thinking, could that be me? Could that be me? off the trailer. Mr. Boost went 9.2 yesterday. His personal best is a 9.19. Ian Pepper, a previous winner of the Sports Compact Shootout with the Salt and Pepper Nova. Ian Pepper away first. Side by side at the 3:30. Now Matty Davison is starting to pull away the little 1.6 single cam, goes through the finish line. 898, 159 Matt Davison has done it. We have an 8-second D series in Europe.
Wow.
Congratulations, Matt Davison.
And celebrations all round downstairs as well. Looks
Downstairs
great.
is ecstatic.
It's like a party down there today.
When the UK winter weather is absolutely rubbish and you're seriously missing drag racing this winter, do yourself a favour and head over to YouTube, watch the old USC 2025 live stream. Honestly, my goodness. From front wheel drive PBs to front wheel drive PBs, far too many to even name. Record after record falling. Darren, us, so many others absolutely smashing their personal bests. It was unreal. What an incredible, unforgettable experience for all in the pits. Thank you so much for everyone letting us be a part of it, joining in and soaking it all up. It's proper ace. But we're not done. The Civic's not done. Matt, Murph, Mouse and me will be back.
It's a drive try. What's that? What's that, Mouse?
More upgrades, more behind the scenes. More mischief from our mayor from the Fat Pig Racing Gang.
In Terry we trust, turn it down.
More big tings coming from Big Man Ting himself jamming. More chaos with Lady Liz, Queen of Speed from Holland. Emma's going to keep showing the boys who's boss, the beautiful bitch. Gordon's going to keep the whole Street Racer gang going fast. Darren, Dean. I can't wait for Alan to bring this Corsa back out on the Vauxhall scene. And keeping us all in check, our master of ceremonies himself, Luke. The 2026 season is going to be big. So like, subscribe, and I'll do my best to bring you along for the ride. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll try and capture it for you. You never know what's going to go down at Santa Pod.